Hello, I'm Sue. Welcome. This is a quick video on showing you how easy it is to remove data. So the machine will save data to itself. You can save your patterns to your scan and cut, and this can happen with your scan to data or just patterns that you want to have ongoing on your machine to save, keep adding them each time. So if you cut something out multiple times. But sometimes you create a pattern and then you don't really want it on there anymore. And lots of people ask, how do you remove it? Well, it's really simple. It's a bit convoluted in a way if you want to delete a number of them, but one by one, very easy. So you just go into retrieve data. And so the data you want to delete is on your machine. So that's your machine icon there. So you select that. And there's all your patterns. Now, I haven't got very many on this machine. I've got more on my SDX 2200D, but this one I haven't got very many saved on here. I don't save a lot to the machine. I mostly do my work in Canvas workspace. But just say I wanted to delete one of these. So, and in this view, it's not overly easy to see what you've got. So you can see I've got 3 of these. I probably don't want one of them. So let's choose one of them. We're retrieving it, and so we've gone okay, and here's the pattern here, and right here is your rubbish bin. Okay to delete selected data, okay, and it's gone. So just so I can do another one of these. So I'm going to go and remove M and all these O's and 3. Select it, rubbish bin, okay. And 3's gone. So all we've got is 1, 4, and 5. So these are ones I use for stickers, so I'll leave them there. Easy as that. And your pattern's deleted. I'm not sure what this one is. Can't really remember what that was. I don't know what that is. That can go as well. Delete. Okay. And gone. Easy as that. Hope this helps you if you get your machine memory a bit full and you need to remove some patterns. Very easy. All right, join me again next time. See you then. Bye.